Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Taya, and in today's video I showed y'all how I got this blowout on my curly hair only using I think it's called a round brush blow dryer. It turned out way different than I expected, but I still like it. So if you're looking for like a less harmful way to straighten your hair or just like a new style to try, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So I don't really know if this hairstyle is gonna work out, but I just wanted to try it because my sister did it for her birthday and it's pretty cute, so I just want to see how it looks on me. So this video might be a success, it might be a fail. My hair is already deep conditioned, washed. I just had it like in these little twists. So this is my hair, freshly washed, nothing in it. Also, I am a brace face again. Y'all never saw me with braces. Had them on like about a year ago, a year and a half ago. Got them back on. Don't really want to go into it too much unless you guys want me to, because I know y'all are gonna be like, oh my god, your teeth are perfect, blah blah blah, but there's just whatever. So just get used to the braces for a little bit. Only thing, I feel like this hairstyle won't work as good because I don't have a curly cut. Like, I don't have layers or nothing like that, so it might just be like weird looking and just like awkward shaped. Again, my hair is heat trained, so it also might be cute. But anyways, first I'm gonna go in with the Insta 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin and just spray that all over my hair. My hair's been air drying for like maybe a couple hours now, so I'm putting a good amount of this because I am going in with heat, so I don't want to have more heat damage than I already do. Now I'm gonna go in with the John Frieda Frizzies and just put that on my hair. It's a serum. It's also heat protectant. I'm just gonna detangle. My hair's, I detangled in the shower, so it's pretty much detangled, but I'm just gonna do a little bit more. Also, I like to detangle after applying product because it just distributes the product even better. I am gonna spray some of this olive oil conditioning spray oil for frizz prone hair, and I'm just gonna put that on my ends just because I need to have some type of moisture. A lot of times I do have my hair straight, and I'll have it straight for like 3 weeks, and while it's straight I obviously don't put as much products as I would if it's not, so my hair does tend to get super dry, so I just want to avoid that a little bit. I don't know that I'll be wearing this hairstyle for weeks, but I also don't want to burn my hair, so I'm not going to put tons of product because then it's just going to be burning with the heat, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna kind of approach this like I'm straightening my hair because I'm applying heat. So I do want it to be, you know, have body and move and all that. I'm gonna section my hair into 4. Brush that I'm using, honestly, I don't know what this is called. I try to find it and link it, but my sister got this. My sister, she got it from Marshalls, I think, so just check the description. It might be there, it might not. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just section out a piece, clip the rest away, and I'm gonna be brushing it and kind of curling it as I go, just kind of twisting. You want to work in really small sections because these type of brushes are going to be quick to rip your hair out, so just work in as small sections as possible. I'm going to put it on the highest setting and just, you guys can watch me blow dry my hair. You guys, this is literally straightening my hair. Now, y'all aren't gonna get the same result if your hair is a different texture, if it's not heat trained, just a bunch of different factors, but what, I was not expecting it to look like this. The only problem that I'm gonna see me having is that my hair is gonna be straight like this, and then my roots aren't, because this doesn't get really close to your roots, so that's the only problem. But what? This is like really surprising me. So these are not the results my sister got. Her hair isn't as heat trained at all as mine. She barely straightens her hair. So hers was more just like, say if you did a braid out and you brushed it out, hers was kind of like that. But mine is like straightening it, and I wasn't really expecting that. I didn't really want that to happen, honestly, but I'm not mad at it. The only thing is that it's really hard to get my roots, so I'm just gonna have to kind of figure that out. All right guys, so I just did this side off camera. I'm gonna show you guys how I did it on this side. So like I said in the beginning, you want to work in really small sections. So I'm just parting my hair, and I found that if I brush down, like just like I'm blow drying my hair regularly, a couple times or a few times before I start rotating the round brush, then it gets my roots really well. So that's what I did, and then you guys just see me rotating it in both directions. So right now I'm going underneath my hair, and then I'll go on top of my hair, and I just switched between these two techniques. And I'm not super familiar with like blowing out my hair or like the specific techniques, so I just did this until my hair was straight enough to my liking. And this style was really easy. It took me, I think, like around an hour to do it. And that's because I was working in really small sections. So you guys can work in bigger sections or even smaller. It just depends on your preference and what you're going for. So if you guys want, I feel like if you want a more voluminous look, then you can work in bigger sections. And then if you want your hair even straighter than I got mine, then you would work obviously in smaller sections. So it's your preference. But either way, it was super easy. This brush got really hot, so just be careful with that. So it was a little different for the pieces at the crown of my head and like on top. I focused the brush underneath to where I'm bumping the ends instead of flipping them, because I thought it would give me more volume. That's kind of what I was going for, but it really didn't. But it did give my ends like it did bump my ends. So I mainly focused the brush underneath like I'm doing here. You just rotate it underneath until you get your desired look. And just make sure the hair doesn't fall out of the brush. And you're just flipping, you're just rotating and making sure the hair is getting heat continuously. So like I said, the style was super easy. I was having a problem with just like the temperature of the room, the bathroom I was in. So I was like in a closed bathroom, like a really small bathroom. The doors were closed, and since the brush got so hot, I was just sweating. It was like humid in the bathroom. So I found that while I was going, the other side of my hair and the pieces I already finished were getting frizzy, and my roots were kind of sweating out. So towards the end, or after I finished, I went back and cooled down and went in a cooler room, and then blow dried my entire head all at the same time, just to make it flat. So if you guys go back in the beginning, my hair looked straighter than it does right now, because I went back and just went over the pieces that I already did. But that time I focused the brush from the top of my hair and flipped the ends out, and that's why if you guys go back and look, my hair just looked like I had all of my ends flipped. It was going all in the same direction. So if you guys were wondering why it was looking like that, that's why. So yeah. And this step is optional. I didn't really need to do this, but I just flat ironed like the top pieces, because that, like I said, it was just, I was sweating, it was getting hot, and everything was kind of frizzy, where the rest of my hair didn't really look as frizzy as the top. So I just flattened those down a little bit. And then I also curled the front pieces. I don't know why, I was just kind of playing around with it. But you guys obviously don't have to do this. And then after I did this, I decided I didn't really like it, so I blew it out with the blow dryer again. So you guys will see. I'm about to do that right now. So you guys don't need to do that, because right now I'm just putting too much heat on my hair. I just couldn't figure out how to get it to where I liked it. So I just went back and took the curls out a little bit. And now I'm just doing my edges, and I'm using the edge booster like always, and just kind of slicking them back, and this is how it turned out. But yeah, this is the final results. Low-key just looks like I had my hair straightened and then it got a little frizzy, but I mean, it's whatever. You could do like a cute half up half down style. You could do whatever you want, you know. So yeah, overall I like it. If my hair was in layers, it would be so much cuter, but it's not, so whatever. But I'm gonna go because I'm sweating a lot. I don't know if I keep sweating because it's like super hot in here, my hair is just gonna be like messed up completely. So I'm gonna close the video out right here. If you guys liked it or didn't, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.